ये मेरा स्टार Q 2.8 AWP 2.8 है। ये चल नहीं रहा है। इसको जब ऑन करता है, जब इनिशियल साउंड आना है चीं करके आता है, वो नहीं आ रहा है। कुछ दिन हो गया है, काफ़ी मतलब 2 महीना जैसा हो गया, चलाया नहीं। शायद इसीलिए ये हो रहा है क्या। थोड़ा पहले जब कनेक्ट किया था तब एक बार आया था, आवाज़ आया था। उसके बाद फिर से आया नहीं रहा है, पानी यहाँ आ नहीं रहा है, प्रेशर भी नहीं आ रहा है। इसको ऑन करता है तो ऑन करने के बाद ये इसको प्रेशर को अगर दबाता है, पानी नहीं आता है, तो उसका क्या करना होगा? काइंडली हेल्प ना।
See, this is a machine. Remove all the screw. Okay. See, you can see it. Remove all the screw via screwdriver. Okay. See, like that it will be removed. Okay. Now just keep it aside. Okay. And remove the downward screw. See, you can notice here there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just kindly remove it. Okay, remove all the screws. Then the body will be opened. See, the one screw is there. Remove it. Once you remove the whole body, okay, see, like that it will be there. See, you have to remove this screw also. Okay, 1 and here 2. Okay, and just keep this part aside. Okay, right. Okay. All that has been removed. See, here is a cutoff switch. You have to take 18-19 pana. Okay, and slightly rotate it. See, yes, slightly rotate it. Okay, there you can see a spring and a cutoff switch. See, and if the spring is been broken, then the machine cannot be operated. Okay, the machine cannot be operated. See, if the spring is okay, then you have to do one thing: put it in the connection, okay, on the machine, and you have to on like that. Okay, see, you have to on like that. Okay, see, if it is owning, then need to change a cutoff switch. Okay,
so this is the cutoff switch. You have to do greasing in this also, because there's some scales that get formed here. So in your cutoff switch, you have to remove this part. This will be like this, and the spring will be like this here. Okay, so you have to remove this, clean this. See how shiny and golden it is right now. It should be like this, and apply slightly some grease and then fit it inside. Okay, and then in this one also apply slight grease, not very much grease, and then put here and then assemble back on top like this. So see, now this is the issue coming up in AWP 2.4 first gen and second generation, also in some AWP 2.8 machine. What actually is happening is, if there's some dust, okay, that get clogged in the cutoff switch, so this cutoff is not free. Now when this presses, you see the click sound. When this presses, then the machine starts. When it comes out, then the machine stops. Now what is happening is, if there is no grease inside, or if it has got jammed, like see right now it has got grease. See, okay. so it's functioning properly. If there is no grease, then this spring gets stuck inside, it does not open, okay, or if it is open, does not go inside, so the machine does not start. So what you need to do is just remove this part here, apply some grease here, okay, and also this side there is a spring that goes inside the machine, so there also apply some grease.